When starting the DX22E grinder, it is important to make sure that you always wear proper PPE. It is also important to familiarize yourself with the manufacturer's manual prior to operating. Manuals are easy to access via the QR code on the grinder. When you first approach, move the weights into their back position to make tilting the machine back easier. Use the handles and a kickstand to lean the machine back to expose the underside of the head. The DX22E comes with built-in magnetic tool holders so that your tooling will snap directly onto the tool plate. Make sure to use the correct tool retention bolt to ensure the tooling is secure. Once your tooling is secure, lean the machine back upright. On the rear of the machine, you will see a bubble level and a height adjustment knob. Turn the knob until the machine is level to the ground. This will help prevent uneven cutting of the floor and prevent uneven tool wear. Next, attach the electrical cord to a power supply. Make sure you are using a 220 volt single phase outlet. Once you have connected the cord, the red light on the back of the machine should illuminate. This shows that the machine is now receiving power. Once you've verified the machine is receiving power, attach a dust vacuum to the 2.5-inch cam lock port on the back of the machine. Pull the wings of the cam lock back to lock the hose attachment in place. Make sure to turn your vacuum on before you begin grinding. If you want to wet grind, add water to the water tank attached to the machine and turn the water valve on. Adjust the handle and the control panel to a comfortable operating position. On the control panel, you will see an emergency stop button. Use this button in case of emergency to quickly shut your machine down. Before starting the machine, check to ensure the emergency stop is not engaged by twisting the switch. You will also see an LED switch that controls the lights on the front and the back of the machine. On the opposite side of the LED switch, you will see a USB port. On the bottom left of the control panel, you will see a forward and reverse switch. This controls the direction in which the machine will grind. Setting the switch to the middle will put the machine into neutral. Once you turn the switch either direction, the machine will begin the grind, either forward or reverse. Once your machine has started, use the speed knob in the center of the machine to throttle the machine up or down. The green light on the back of the electrical box will turn on once the machine is active. If you need more head pressure and you already have moved the weights into their forward position, you can place the 30-pound additional weight into the slot located on the water tank. To turn the DX22E off, first lower the speed back to 0. Then, switching the forward-reverse switch back to neutral, which will stop the grinding process. Turn off the power source to shut the DX22E down. Finally, unplug your machine from its power source. Follow the daily maintenance guidelines in the owner's manual.